Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Meghna Ved. I'm a consultant homeopath and a backflower therapist practicing in Ahmedabad and running my clinic Daivik Homeo Care. And today I'm talking about sleeplessness or insomnia, its reasons, its management, and its homeopathic line of treatment. So let's begin. Fine. What is insomnia? Insomnia is a condition in which the person finds it difficult to go to sleep or cannot stay asleep for long. Okay, or wakes up in the middle of the night and finds it difficult to go back to sleep again. Now, insomnia could be acute, as in case of sudden stress related to finances, health, after death of a loved one. Then it is acute insomnia. But if it lasts for more than 3 months, then it is termed as chronic insomnia, and it is better to take some medical help. Fine. Other reason is erratic lifestyle or erratic sleep habits. If you are not sleeping and getting up at the same time daily, then your sleep-wake cycle or your circadian rhythm has been disturbed, and that can lead to sleeplessness. It is very common in case of teenagers who go to sleep late and tend to wake up later in the mornings. So in the long run, they can suffer from insomnia. Also in people who are in shift duty, where they are involved in night shifts, sometimes they are having a midday shift. So their circadian rhythm or the sleep wake cycle gets disturbed frequently, which can lead to insomnia. Okay, fine. Other reason is aging. With aging, there are certain problems like certain health issues, like restless leg syndrome is there, or certain bladder problems, uh, like in case of diabetes or prostate, where the patient has to frequently wake up at night to urinate. That can disturb the sleep. Okay, so aging is one of the factors. Certain medications which have been used in asthma or BP, these can induce insomnia in long run. Okay, so uh, you need to identify the reasons of insomnia, and it has to be dealt that way. Okay, now let's talk about management. uh, there are certain tips which can help in inducing sleep. First is taking a warm bath before going to sleep, having warm milk. You can add a bit of nutmeg powder to it. It also helps in inducing sleep. Have bananas. Banana are a very good source of magnesium and potassium, which helps as a muscle relaxant and helps to induce sleep. So have a banana before going to sleep. You can have chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is having antioxidants which help in inducing sleep. Okay. Other than that, you can always keep the room a bit cool and dark, and stay away from screen, TV or mobile at least 1 hour before going to sleep. So these are the simple steps which you can take. Fine. Now let's come to the main topic. What are the homeopathic remedies that I frequently use in case of insomnia? Homeopathy works wonderfully in inducing sleep and gives excellent results. These medicines are totally safe and natural, and they do not create any dependency also. Okay, but it's always advisable to consult a homeopath before starting these medicines. Fine. So the first medicine which I frequently use is Kali Phos. Kali Phos 6x 2 tablets before sleep. It works excellent in cases of sleeplessness. So other remedy which I am using is Acid Phos. Acid Phos is a very good remedy if insomnia is occurring, especially after sudden stress, like after death of a loved one, or after some upsetting incident has happened and the person is not getting sleep. Then acid phos is a very good remedy. Also, it is a very good remedy if insomnia is occurring after some chronic illness, like as in case of after COVID or after typhoid. Many people have this complaint of sleeplessness. In that case, acid phos 200 works wonderfully. Third remedy which I frequently use is Passiflora incarnata Q, mother tincture. So Passiflora drops, 10 to 15 drops in half cup of water before sleep. It helps to induce sleep very nicely. So it is also a very good remedy for insomnia. The other remedy which I am using is chamomilla. Chamomilla is a very good remedy for inducing sleep, especially in kids. Okay, so and it's totally chamomilla 30 or chamomilla 200, single pill on tongue or in half cup of water. If given to children, it helps to induce proper sleep. Okay. Other remedy which I frequently use is arnica. Arnica is a very good remedy if sleeplessness is due to mental and physical exhaustion. Arnica 30, 2 pills at night on tongue or 2 drops in water, works wonderfully in case of sleeplessness. Other important remedy which I am using in case of chronic sleeplessness is coffea cruda. If the person is having sleeplessness without any reason and the thoughts keep on running, the person says, uh, I am totally, I think as if whole night I keep on thinking something, one thing or the other. I keep on thinking, I'm not under any stress. Okay, insomnia is not because of any other reason, but still I'm not able to sleep. In that case, coffea cruda 30 works wonderfully. So these are some of the remedies. There are many other homeopathic remedies which can be identified only after giving proper history, identifying the cause, and then selecting the remedy. Okay. Now let's talk about back flower remedies. Two back flower remedies I am using frequently. First is olive. Olive is a very good remedy if sleeplessness is occurring after exhaustion, any kind of mental or physical exhaustion, or any kind of mental trauma. Then also olive is a very good remedy for sleeplessness. You can add a few drops of white chestnut to it. White chestnut is very good for overthinking, so it calms down your flow of thoughts and helps to induce sleep. So olive and white chestnut, back flower remedies, very good for sleeplessness. And another remedy, homeopathic remedy, which is very good, is Nux vomica. Nux vomica is very good for sleeplessness in people who are involved in shift duties. Okay, their work schedule is they are working late night. Okay, or their shifts keep on changing, like in case of drivers or people involved in IT jobs. Nux vomica is a very good remedy. It is also good for those who have sleeplessness after any kind of addiction like alcohol or drugs addiction. If sleeplessness is there, then Nux vomica is a beautiful remedy. So these are some of the remedies which I would like to mention. Fine. If you have any queries, you can message me or send a message on my number. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and sleep well. Take care. Bye.